Are you traveling soon? Before you head to the airport, here are 3 carry-on rules that will help you breeze through security screening like a pro. Rule number 1, liquids, aerosols, and gels. Anything you can pour or spread or spray all need to be 100 milliliters or less and fit inside one clear resealable 1-liter bag. And remember, only one bag per passenger. Rule number 2, food. Want to pack some snacks for your travel? No problem. Solid foods like sandwiches, granola bars, and whole fruit are all good to go. But remember rule number 1, any foods that are spreadable or liquid-like in texture, such as yogurt or sauces, fall under the liquid rule and all need to be in containers of less than 100 milliliters. And finally, rule number 3, batteries and electronics. Lithium batteries must be packed in your carry-on bag and never in your checked bag. Small electronics like cell phones can stay in your carry-on. If you're at a screening line with CT X-ray technology, then all of your electronics and medical devices, big or small, can remain inside your carry-on bag. Know the rules, pack smart, and you'll be on your way in no time. To find out more about what you can and can't bring, make sure to check out the What Can I Bring tool on the CATSA website at catsa.gc.ca.